Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the raw ingredient, chicken. First, rescue or recruit the chicken spirit and place it in a pen on your ship. This gives you access to chicken products. Once done, interact with the pen to collect raw chicken or eggs that may transform into usable meat items. Make sure to manage the pen's comfort so chickens produce consistently, because steady supply avoids extra island runs and keeps cooking predictable. Now prepare your cooking station. You need the kitchen or improved stove built and upgraded. Upgrade speed cooking and unlock recipes. Once built, stock oil and basic pantry goods like flour and seasoning, because fried chicken requires both fat and coating. Next, open the stove menu, place raw chicken and oil, and select the fried chicken recipe. While it cooks, monitor the progress bar. Upgrades reduce burn risk and improve yield. Finish by cooking and serving properly. Start frying and stay nearby to stop at the right moment. Overcooking wastes ingredients and undercooking gives poor results. Once done, serve to your spirits to raise mood or complete requests. If the recipe is unavailable, make sure the stove is upgraded and the pantry contains oil and raw chicken. If production stalls, check the pen, revisit islands for merchants, or relog to refresh inventories. These quick fixes usually resolve missing item issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.